How to add blue tones or blues in Clipchamp. Want that cool moody blue vibe in your video? Let's add some blues in Clipchamp. Fast and easy. Click on the video you want to edit. This is where the blue magic happens. With the clip selected, go to the right sidebar and click on Filters. You will see lots of preset styles. Look for cool tone filters. They will instantly give your video that chill blue aesthetic. One more control, click Adjust Color and lower the temperature. This adds blue tones. You can also lower saturation for subtle look or boost contrast for cinematic vibes. Preview your clip. Feeling icy cool? Then hit export. And that's it. Your video now has a smooth blue tone perfect for emotional scenes, night vibes, or aesthetic edits. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.